So we are going to repot our Eplc Cattleya Volcano Trick Red Lava. I'll post a picture of the blooms on the screen, but she only had one little bloom left and it was kind of going over, so we went ahead and cut that off of here. She does have 2 new growths, one on either side. So she's got one coming on this side and one on this side, and they both have, so this one has some new roots coming, as well as this one has some new roots coming. So I'm going to go ahead and get her in her new home before any more growth happens. So I'm going to put her in, let me just show you an empty one, into this, I think it's a 4 centimeter, I don't know the sizes of pots, but it's in this size pot. I'll put a link in the description down below to where you can get them on Amazon. I absolutely love these things. But as you can see, it's got lots of aeration holes, and then it's got that small cone down there at the bottom. So I've put some kind of medium bark down there at the bottom so that the bottom doesn't stay too wet. But I've left the air cone open, and let's get a little bit of media. And I'm putting her in small fir bark with some perlite and charcoal. And there's a couple of pieces of moss in there as well from when I used moss earlier. Because she does have those 2 directions of growth, I'm just going to kind of set her back towards the back of the pot. And I missed a root. Let me just pull that off real quick. Did I break? Oh, she was not even attached. Okay, so that was actually, I have 2 plants in here, guys. When I pulled that root off, I guess that root was just kind of connecting them together. All right, well then they'll go in this way. So both new, oops, sorry. They'll go in this way, so both new growths are facing in the same direction. Maybe do them this way here. All right. And it's with the Cattleya, because of the Cattleya in there. Probably don't mind a lot of air around the roots, but I'm not sure how much, so I'm not going to leave too many air gaps. I'll make sure to keep it covered up. And let's see, are you going to, oh, you want to come off too. Okay. Well, that was just a little seedling growth, so we'll let it go. Okay. Just wiggle it around in there a little bit and get it underneath all those roots. And of course, I'll probably have to stake them. Yes, I will. And of course, my stakes are way over there. So let me pause it real quick and go grab the stakes. Okay, so I've got the root, got the stakes. So let me just cut a piece of this stuff real quick. A couple of pieces. So we have them ready. Here we go. So let's do this side first, and then we will just put her right there. And we'll just take the bottom of this old growth and just attach it to the stake so it is nice and secure. Maybe we will. There we go. Then let's turn her around. Yeah, like I said, I took that one root off. Thought it was, well, it was an old root, and then just came apart. So I guess lucky is the word, 2 of them instead of 1. There we go. Went through that piece of bark nicely. And I'll do the same thing with this one. I will just attach this to this older growth to the stake. All right, there we go. There we go. Now they're fairly secure. Still a little wobbly, but not as bad as it was. So then I'm just going to use the stakes to kind of hold her and get the rest of the media in the pot and around her roots. Okay, well, there we are. You know, you just never know what's going to happen when you're doing a repot. One repot, I broke a new growth. This one here, we find out we have 2 plants instead of 1. One of the exciting things about the orchid hobby, it's like a box of chocolates. You just never know what's going to come out. I know that's not the right way to say it. You never know what you're going to get. There we are. Our 2 Eplc Cattleya Volcano Tricks. Looks like this one here is probably maturing quicker than this one. So hopefully this one will go ahead and bloom for us again. If not, we'll just have to wait for her to recover from the repot. So if you enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me out. And thank you to all those who have subscribed. I appreciate it. And I thank all those who take the time to comment. I do enjoy reading the comments, and I try to answer each one. I'm probably not as timely as I'd like to be, but I will answer all the comments. Even if they're negative comments, I'll still answer you. All right, well guys, I hope you're having a great day, and we will see you on the next one.